future of our DepEd and OVP officials in jeopardy. Kasi ang dali-dali lang yun, may mag-text lang, ayan, no, naglalabas ng pera. Unless marami ang nag-secure sa OVP at sa DepEd para ilabas yung cash na ito. Or the next question is, saan ito dinalagay? Kasi syempre, ang laking pera, kunyari 125 million cash, bibit-bitin mo pa uwi sa opisina, gano'n po kalaki ang office ni Ma'am Gina Acosta? Maybe we can ask
representative from OVP. Attorney Sanchez.
Yes, Mr. Chair. It's just a small office, Mr. Chair, and it's shared with other staff.
So, Mr. Chair, Your Honors, no? Tama naman po na yung accountable is Miss Gina Acosta because she's the payee of the check. However, that's taxpayers' money. That's still pera ng sambayan ng Pilipino na in-entrust sa OVP at sa DepEd. And our good, distinguished resource person here, Attorney Sanchez, I'm not sure, Mr. Chair, I'm not a lawyer, but is it not that they will also be accountable because they are aware that a 125 million cash check will be encashed, brought back in cold cash, stored in the office that is shared by many people. So I think accountability does not stop with Ms. Acosta. Accountability also includes those in the finance and cash division. Kasi alam nila, unang-una, kapag ikaw ay nasa gobyerno, you have to make sure na yung cash na nasa office nyo ay tama-tama lang para hindi hold upin yung mga empleyado doon. Pangalawa, it's a shared office. Pangatlo, it's a huge amount. May I ask, Mr. Chair, Ma'am, bakit po, instead of 125 million cash, 4 na beses, ba't di nyo na lang ginawang 10 million, 15 million, lower, para yung risk hindi malaki? Kasi di ba nasa opisina nyo nakatago ang pera? Bakit po?
Attorney Sanchez.
Yes, Mr. Chair. I would just like to clarify that I do not know if kung saan po nakatago yung pera. So, I'm not aware kung sa office.
So you are not sure na from the bank, dinediretso sa office?
Yes, Mr. Chair. And then, in terms of the
Mr. Chair, sorry to cut you on that, ha? Ma'am, kayo ang nagpaparelease, kayo ang nag-i-issue ng cheque. I-encash. Malaking amount. Ibig sabihin, hindi nyo na chine-check na napupunta sa opisina nyo? Next question, Mr. Chair. Is there a possibility that it is being brought by Gina Acosta to her house?
Mr. Chair, again, I do not have personal knowledge.
Is it possible?
Mr. Chair, for possibility, I would agree that there is possibility.
In this case, Mr. Chair, ma'am, pasensya na po. Pero you are in charge of the coffers of the OVP. You would release a check of 125 million, not once, not twice, not thrice, but 4 times, and cash it totally, and then pinapabayaan nyo na lang, kung inuwi yan at pinakbo ng tao.
Mr. Chair, under the joint circular, it is the responsibility of the special disbursing officer to safekeep the fund. So it is also for that reason that there is one for the special disbursing officer. And as to the amount that was asked earlier, we just relied on the amount of the disbursement voucher that was submitted to the accounting division for the release of the check.
Mr. Chair,
Ma'am, sandali lang po,
Yes.
isa tatanong lang. Kanina sinabi po ninyo maliit lang yung opisina ni Ma'am Gina Acosta. Tama po ba? Could you please describe the office of Miss Gina Acosta?
Yes, Mr. Chair. Mr. Chair, the office of Ms. Gina Acosta, it's located in the executive wing of our office. So, different staff sila doon, and then parang cubicle lang siya.
Cubicle lang.
Yes, Mr.
Wala ba siyang taguan doon sa opisina niya ng pera?
I am not aware.
So, pag sinabi mo cubicle, di ibig sabihin, hindi siya talaga office.
Yes.
Tama ba?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
So there is no way na kung pwede niya itago sa opisina niya yung 125 million. Tama po ba? Kasi cubicle lang eh.
Mr. Chair, may mga storage shelves doon sa
Storage, shelf,
cabinet.
cabinet, but not vault.
I'm not aware of any one, Mr. Chair. And I have not inspected storage shelves.
Chairman.
Yes. Congressman Paduano.
Nasa likod ako eh. But anyway, Mr. Chairman, yung land bank ba? Land bank, ano ba talaga nangyari? You delivered? Kinuha? 125 million?
Mr. Chair, kinuha po siya sa bank.
Yung 125 million? Sino yung cashier teller at the time?
3 tellers po yung involved, different checks po.
Different checks. Ilang checks yun?
4 checks sir.
Mr. Chairman, can we invite in the next hearing the tellers involved in this transaction? Para magkanilawan po tayo dito kasi I doubt, Mr. Chairman. Ma'am, do you have a MOA with the office of the Vice President?
No, Mr. Chair.
Sigurado po kayo? Wala kayong MOA?
MOA for the cash delivery, no, Mr. Chair.
How about cash deposits?
We have a MOA payroll.
Sorry?
Payroll.
Payroll, not cash advances on other projects and transactions.